Milestone offers Arculys, a subscription-based video surveillance as a service, or VSaaS. With Arculys, we took everything complicated about video security and made it simple. Here's how it works. Your existing cameras connect to our cloud platform. That means no rip-and-replace headaches. It's cloud-based, always up-to-date, easy to use, and grows with your business. Continuous cloud updates automatically enhance your system, allowing your IT team to focus on what matters most. With Arculys, you won't need extensive training, and only minimal IT resources are required. It also includes cloud-based integrations like access control and IoT sensors, as well as alarms, notifications, case management, system health, AI-driven forensic video search, heat maps, and occupancy analytics, helping you make decisions based on data, not guesses. Let's see all this in action. When you first log into the platform, you'll see a customizable dashboard. There are many widgets to choose from, with insights into your security and business operations. Right here, you have a health summary of your system. You can see all your gateways and devices on this interactive map. Hover over a site or click to see more details. Here is a snapshot of alarm notifications with clickable links offering more information. Below are widgets showing people counting, heat maps, and access control doors. Click the Views icon in the sidebar to see all the live and recorded views. You can search for cameras by name. Select the icon here to play back previously recorded video from a single camera. The other cameras will continue to display live video, helping you maintain situational awareness. When you select Sync Playback here, multi-camera playback becomes available. You can select up to 6 cameras to view simultaneously. Once you select your playback time and date, the Export All button lets you export your selected video. The exported video is saved to a case, allowing you to share it with other users or download it later. Saved cases show up here in the sidebar menu. You can view previously exported incidents, which you can search by name or description. Share cases with other users via a secure link. Here's the good news. Cases are stored safely in the cloud, so if you have a critical incident like this stolen backpack, you can access that video from anywhere. Keep it as long as you need it and share it with other users. It's easy to go back at any time to review this evidence of the suspect stealing the backpack. While in live or playback mode, you can select this icon at the bottom right in the camera view window. That brings up Forensic Search. In the search window, thumbnails make it easier to see relevant videos. Forensic Search works on any video data sent to the cloud, with no proprietary hardware required. We include video search analytics so you can rapidly review recorded videos for different object types, object colors, or an area of interest. So, for example, on this parking lot camera, we're looking for a white vehicle. First, let's draw an area of interest here. We believe the subject's vehicle drove through this area. Our analytics identified a white car that matches the search criteria. You can verify the vehicle in question by zooming in on the thumbnails. Arculys lets you do this with any camera connected to its cloud platform. In the Arculys sidebar, select Sites to display your locations on a map. Here, you see the gateways, devices, and their locations. You'll see connected devices and their online status when you hover your cursor over the map location. To review a specific site, click the site name in the menu, or click it from the map. As an added feature, Arculys can show your floor plans. Click the icon to get camera details and see a live view from the camera. Arculys supports integrated access control devices, letting you control your entry and exit doors. Click on the device's icon in the sidebar to open the door events. With Arculys access control integrations, you can associate cameras with door positions to verify personnel and visitors. One of the benefits of VSaaS is having service support available on demand. Arculys offers in-app chat, so you can speak with a real person and access the knowledge base for quick answers. Arculys offers flexibility with several installation methods tailored to your needs. You can choose from cloud storage, where all videos are stored remotely with short-term buffering in the gateway, edge storage, where all videos remain on the gateway using local hard drives, camera to cloud, a unique deployment with no gateway on site. Video is stored locally in the camera using an SD card. You can transfer long-term storage to the cloud. Each option mixes with other deployment choices, so you get complete flexibility. There's a lot to explore in Arculys. We've just hit the highlights here in our tour. With Arculys, we've simplified video management with a vSaaS platform that's accessible anywhere, scales effortlessly across multiple locations, and keeps your data safe so your organization stays compliant. If you're interested in learning more about how Arculys vSaaS can help your business, follow the link to book your demo with a Milestone security expert.